Hello and welcome back to Maths Club. So last week I did 2-digit long multiplication and this week I'm going to do 3-digit long multiplication. So for my example I'm going to do this. So say 827 times 111. And the reason I'm going to multiply by 111 is so that we don't get distracted by the arithmetic and carries and so forth, and we can just get to the point of what it is we're doing. So basically when you do long multiplication you're breaking it down into steps, and here where it's 3 digits you're breaking it down into 3 steps. So the way to think about this is 111. What you're actually doing is breaking down 827 by 111 into 3 steps, which is 827 times 100, 827 times 10, and 827 times 1, and then adding all the results together. So you're taking a difficult sum of 111 times 827 and you're breaking it down into 3 easy sums. So to start with, well, you can't get easier than this. 1 times 827. Easy. 827. The next point is to add a 0, and we're doing this because we're doing 10 times 827. So again, I've got my 0, which means all I have to do is 1 times 827. Easy. There you go. And then finally, I put 2 zeros on, because I'm not doing 1 times 827, really I'm doing 100 times 827. So again, 827. What could be easier than that? And then you add them up. 7, 2 plus 7, 9. 8 plus 2 plus 7, 17. Carry 1. 8 plus 2 plus 1, 11. Carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9. There. So basically that's your answer, and this is the key to any long multiplication. What you're really doing here is breaking down this number into easy parts. So as I said before, check it on a calculator to see if you've got it right, and check it on a calculator, and also, as well as checking on a calculator, try and think about it in your head and think, does this seem right? So if you think, well, what I've done here is I'm multiplying a number around 100 by around 800. So it should be around 80,000, thereabouts. So if you did this wrong, if you forgot this, if you forgot to add 2 zeros and you just added 1 zero and shifted all this across here, you'd get a result around 16,000, which is clearly wrong. If you think I'm multiplying around 800 by around 100 or 110, my answer should be around 90,000. So if you forgot this, move this across, 8 and 8 would be 16, you'd have an answer 16,000, and you'd know it wasn't right. So firstly, that's my dog. Firstly, check it on a calculator, and secondly, try and think about it yourself and think, does this number seem right? That's all for now. Bye. Thank you for listening.